కేంద్రంలో రాష్ట్రంలో అధికారాన్ని సాగిస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. కేంద్రంలో ఇద్దరు కలిసి పరిపాలిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఈ రెండు పార్టీలు కూడా ఈ ముజఫర్నగర్ తర్వాత వస్తున్నట్టే ఈ ఆరోపణలకు.
And we will get to when he speaks in English or Hindi just about a moment from now. We'll also talk about a 500 crore rupee makeover of Rahul Gandhi that is being talked about. But this very crucial Priyanka Gandhi meeting is our top focus story. Priyanka Gandhi at Rahul Gandhi's residence met Ahmed Patel, political secretary to Sonia Gandhi, Union Minister Jairam Ramesh, senior Congress leader Janardhan Dwivedi, UP in charge Madhusudan Mistry and several others. Is this all about projecting Rahul Gandhi? Is this all about holding her brother's hand? Or is it now time, the thinking within a section of the Congress party always has been that Priyanka Gandhi could well prove to be the party's Brahmastra in 2014 general elections? Will it be a Priyanka versus Narendra Modi? We will get you more on this. And just a few days ago, Madhusudan Mistry also said that Priyanka Gandhi is very important on the national scale when it comes to the Congress party, and the party is ready to welcome her on the national forum. And Harish Bijur is joining us on the phone line, someone who can tell us more about which brand would be bigger for the Congress. Harish Bijur, brand Priyanka versus brand Rahul. What can carry the Congress party better?
Okay. Rahul, I have been saying it time and again for the last 10 to 12 months that, brand Priyanka is a much bigger brand than brand Rahul. Brand Rahul sadly has gotten overexposed, and I think there is a wee degree of a burnout even before the burning started. And therefore, I do believe brand Priyanka is going to hold much more water than brand Rahul holds.
Okay.
So expect a lot to happen, provided Priyanka occupies center stage.
Would the party, would benefit the party immensely, you say, if Priyanka were to lead the party? You've been watching the Congress closely. Does that appear to be happening? Because there is a clamor for Priyanka in a section of the Congress party, even if they're not very vocal about it.
Yes, there certainly is a clamor within the party, which really is talking about the fact that Priyanka could actually revive it. And there is an eminent degree of sense in it, because, there is a lot of brave talk going on within the BJP and between the BJP and the Congress, which is to say that it's Modi versus Rahul. Now, Modi versus Rahul is a weaker battle as far as the Congress is concerned, rather than Modi versus Priyanka. Because let's remember, in this country, gender matters, and gender matters a lot. And Priyanka is certainly, the granddaughter and the great-granddaughter we are talking about. So I think, Priyanka versus Modi is definitely more beneficial to the Congress rather than Rahul versus Modi.